What's up everybody, it's Colin here and we're back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the affiliate network called Glize. So I thought Glize was a small network based out of Switzerland, so a little bit fancy. However, it appears they have many offices. So if you have a look at their website, it actually looks quite fancy already. So it's just a one-pager and they have like links at the top. But I just want to show you what they're all about. So they mainly focused on like the cost per action, so the CPA, CPL, COD, CPT, and revenue share. So they have a variety of different offers, but I just want to show you their offices real quick. So it's like in Zurich, Switzerland, MT, I don't know where it is, like I think Macedonia or something, Bucharest, Romania, United States, San Diego, I think this is Russia, Italy, Portugal. So they have like a ton of different offices, which would mean I think they have like a quite big network as well. These are some happy faces of their employees, and they tell you a little bit about what they're looking for. So these are hiring, they're actually looking for an in-house media buyer. When I checked out the frequently asked questions, just so you know, I always talk about like the payment methods, payment terms. I found that they pay you weekly upon request, but they generate invoices. So you can get weekly payments to request, but you don't have to request the actual payment itself. If you do high volumes, they set specific terms. That's what they say. So it might be like multiple times a week if you're doing high volume for them. If we're going to the dashboard, I can show you everything you need to know inside the network, what they offer, how they offer, which geos, which verticals. But before we do, I just want to ask you, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet and you love affiliate marketing, especially CPA, please hit that subscribe button so you can stay up with all the relevant content I'm pushing out. And before we go, I really appreciate you guys watching. It really means a lot. And let's dive in to the actual network. So here we are inside the Glize affiliate network. We have at the top like the basic information, your clicks, your conversions, the conversion rate, and the total revenue. And this is all the last 7 days. And I think you should be able to filter it somewhere to, this is last 24 hours and this is last 7 days. So that's pretty cool. So they show like two things. At the top right, you have all your information. If you press here, you have your account manager, which is actually just an email address in this case. So you can communicate with them, get you started. Then once you have a look at the bottom here, you have all the standard stuff. So there's nothing really interesting in this one. You can see all your invoices, the amounts, the start and end date. So that's what they start with. So apparently your dashboard is about the invoices. So they have a blog, a marketplace, API, invoices, your account. So it's personal information and the payment methods, promo materials, and statistics. So if you go to real-time statistics, that's where you draft the reports. So basically that's common with every affiliate network. However, they show you a graph. You can make it a line, timeline, pie, stacked, however you want. You can use like different time zones, different time frames, period of time. You can save it, download it, whatever you want. So this is quite nice. As you can see here at the bottom, you can export it into Excel. All the leads, everything you want to know possibly can be drafted here. So they really help you out with detailed information so you can improve your campaigns. You actually can read the data properly, which is obviously very important. If you go to the referral section, you will find all your referrals. And if you go to the promo tools, you will find an overview of all the promo tools you've added to the Glize network. So ad packages, campaigns you set up, pricing packages, promo materials. I recommend you to ask your affiliate manager for an introduction to this if you're not familiar how to set these things up, because that will like save a lot of time. If you have to read through it all yourself, it might be quite complex. So the account level we can skip because that's just basic information. The invoices you can skip, the API you can basically skip, but the marketplace is obviously the interesting part. So let's have a look at their marketplace, what kind of offers they offer, what kind of geos. So as you can see, it loads up really nice. At the right, you have optimized packages. So these are, I think, smart links. Yeah, they're all smart links. So it says best converting for worldwide offers. And this is like the smart link for video on demand, games, dating, and gambling. So they selected it specifically on the vertical. So let's have a look on the left first. So all the categories, it actually says behind the category how many offers there are. So for the apps, there are 32, cooking 2, dating 57, etc. So it goes all the way down. As you can see, Nutra, very dominant, games, very dominant, sweepstakes, very dominant. And that's why I joined this network for the sweepstakes. If you look at the countries, basically every country is represented, but obviously not all the countries are available. So when you look at the carriers, that would be obviously for pop traffic, very interesting to optimize. Basically you have a list of all the pop traffic for the relevant geos. If you go into the device section, you can select a device, operating system, the flow. So this would be like the cash on delivery for like the e-commerce goods, pin flow, single opt-in, double opt-in, one click, two click for pin, and single opt-in, double opt-in for like the sweeps, and the offer type. So let's just have a look at, well, the sweepstakes, for instance. So once you click at sweepstakes, this is what you'll see, a nice overview of the offers. I think this is what other networks really could benefit from, that the clear display of offers. Like if it's just one line which opens a pop-up, it's just super annoying. This looks really good. Everything I want to know, this is what the lender looks like, this is the geo, this is the offer, this is the payout, this is the flow, and these are the restrictions. Very, very nice. This just looks very clear, easy to understand. Like I can just push a new media buyer onto this platform and it just makes sense. I don't have to explain how the network works, but this can function on common sense. So this would be Germany, media market single opt-in, 250 on a payout is not bad, it's just a standard payout. It's actually, for Germany that's okay. Australia is a little bit on the low end, France is okay, this is very low for Australia. But for the US, 162. And as you can see, like, can we do like different, more offers per tab? I think not, but it goes very fast. So this is like credit card flow, $20 payout. But as you can see, the interesting thing which I noticed is that they offer some geos which other platforms don't offer. For instance, this is Austria, which is a country which is relatively small and not a lot of networks offer that. But you can see tons of Belgium, Germany, yeah, Germany again. So this is like the whole German thing, which is like Switzerland, Austria, and Germany, everybody who speaks German. Croatia, which is very interesting. So this is a pin flow with less than $1 payout. But obviously the traffic in Croatia is so cheap. So it might be even like very profitable. And that's what I like. Like if you go through a network like this, which like I've not heard of them before, like I just found them through a referral of somebody, that you can really find offers which you're not going to find anywhere else for specific geos. For instance, Croatia, like I'm working with over 60 networks and I've not witnessed anybody who's focused on Croatia. Like we only saw one offer, right? But you might ask if they can make you more or make you different ones. Like this is France, Greece, tons and tons of offers. So as you can see, which I also read in the FAQ, they mainly focus on European offers. Those are the strongest geos. They also focus on the US, Australia. The Nordics are very well represented. By the Nordics, I mean the Scandinavian countries of Norway, Finland, Denmark, Sweden. Yeah, so you saw just Norway, this is all Sweden. But this one is, for instance, interesting. I think this is Slovakia, also an Eastern European country. Thailand is represented. So as you can see, the dominant ones have tons of offers. The less dominant countries have a little bit less offers, but it's still quite interesting. So these were all sweeps. Let's go have a look at what kind of e-commerce they would offer. So this is like a magnetic ring, a pendant. So these are all like credit card, straight purchase, I think. So this is like a flashlight, a drone, like all the familiar products like Airway. This is interesting, Mosquitotron, probably attracts and kills mosquitoes. So let's just click on the offer, see what happens. So let's just click on this one, magnetic ring. So targeting, this is where you show the targeting. Above 35 roles is a good idea for general landing pages. Email and social traffic are the best. Incentivized traffic and forced traffic, pop under, exit are not allowed. Oh, are not restricted, so they are allowed, but they don't convert. Okay, yeah, so they tested that already. As you can see here, the countries, France, Italy, and Spain, all carriers, all devices, all operating systems. Also, oh, sorry, it continues. Belgium, Luxembourg, and Switzerland. So like 6 countries, which is quite nice. So you have the capability to scale. This together is probably around maybe 150 million people. So that is very interesting if you get this running on social. Very, very exciting. So no creatives available. What I like, if you go to promote, I think, yeah, you get this. So basically what they do is you can get a direct link, but you can also get an exit traffic script, a pop under script. They help, like an exit, like a pop under script is not common. Like if you would need to make a pop under script yourself, you would probably have to pay somebody to make it. And these guys, like I tried it. I just tried to figure it out how it worked when I was investigating this network. And the affiliate managers basically emailed me the script, told me step by step with screenshots how to set this up. And I never ran it in the end, but it was quite interesting. They're helpful, and like all these kind of things like floating iframe, smart text, floating banner, XML, exit traffic, pop under, banner, device filter, and the direct link. Obviously, the direct link is very often used, that's why it's the first one. And if you press next, I think there's where you can get the link. Yeah, promo tool was created successfully, so then it's in your promo tool dashboard. This is your tracking link. You can add parameters the way you want. You even have like this funny code which you can use for your phone to create campaigns if needed, but I doubt anybody will use that. But as you can see, so if you go to dating, let's just have a look. Mega dates. So yeah, I think this is like the kind of adult dating. If you look at the pictures they're using, it's not like nudes, but it's not like really mainstream. Yeah, well, it's okay. Like it's not like really webcam stuff or whatever with like the adult dating stuff, but it's still pretty sexual. It's not like going to a main homepage with the opt-in where you can see like stuff. But it's doable. Like it's not adult traffic. It's not for adult traffic. This you can run a normal traffic. So like video on demand. They have like Italy. Oh, tons of offers for Italy. All right, this just seems to be like apps and stuff. Oh no, funny videos. This is Kuwait. That will be an interesting geo. Like look at. I don't even know these geos. What those are. But yeah, that's really funny that you can see those things like games. Let's check out games, because games has always been like an interesting thing for me. So Brazil, Switzerland, Fortnite. Yeah, so this is a really famous one I've seen everywhere, like the Fortnite games guide. Really pop in. Brazil. I just like to look at the geos first to see like if there's like opportunities, and then I just look at what kind of games they are. Because the games are totally easy to promote nowadays on like Snapchat, Instagram story ads. Like you can make so much money. You just have to get a good video of the game. It takes like 2 days to set up, have somebody edit it, and then it's time to make some money. So this is like a 2-click for Fortnite, 720. That's really nice. So yeah, as you can see, this network basically offers tons and tons of potential all the way. Yeah, now I went through this network, I actually feel silly. I never really explored it, took some time to dig into it, but the Glize network offers very unique possibilities, huge profits to be made with the geos, which are not targeted that often. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed my content, please give it a like and subscribe so you can see all my future affiliate marketing content. If you're interested in the Glize network, I will leave a link down below and I answer all the frequently asked questions there as well, so you can read through that if you have any questions. If your answers are not there to be found, please leave a comment and I will get to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.